तो आज सॉल्व कर रहे गेट 2024 डेटा साइंस एंड एआई का पार्ट 2। आज 16 से सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। कॉलम 1 और कॉलम 2 में किया दिया है फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट, लुकअप ऑपरेशन, लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट, स्टैक यूज एंड हैश टेबल्स। सो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इन दिस टेबल? वी आर कंपेयरिंग दीज टू। सो फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट corresponds to a queue problem which is the first element added to the and the first one to be removed. ठीक है. Second is the lookup operation is nothing but commonly associated with the hash tables, which has data stored and retrieved based on a key. So directly ये तो इसके साथ हो ही गया. And the last in first out is also corresponding to stacks, which are last element to be added to fetching on the remove. Okay, and this is the queue. So this is the thing, this is the answer. So 16 done. उसके बाद 17 में बाद में आता हूँ. 18 अगेन कॉलम कंपैरिजन मैच वन प्रिंसिपल कंपोनेंट एनालिसिस. ये क्या होता है? इज अ टेक्निक यूज फॉर द डायमेंशनलिटी रिड्यूस सो इट मैचेस विद द डायमेंशनलिटी रिडक्शन. ओके, so P with dimensionality reduction directly. Then knife based classification is ये क्या एक generative model है that estimates the joint probability distribution of the features and target the variable. So it matches with the generative model. ठीक है. So this is the thing. And last one, the logistic regression, is the discriminative model and directly uh, models the conditional probability of the target variable given in the feature. So it matches the discriminative model. So R with 1. Okay. So final answer goes with C. Okay, next is 19 to answer this question. So Euclidean distance based K means the clustering algorithm. So Euclidean distance and the K means the algorithm was run as 100 points, K equal to 3, the points 1 1 minus 1 1 both are particular cluster of 3. Which of the following point necessarily is also part of the cluster 3? So to the answer is we need to understand the principle based K means clustering and how to work on that. So the given points 1 1 and minus 1 1, these are the two things. Both be a part of the cluster 3. We know that the cluster 3 has a centroid located in the equidistance from the 2 points. Okay, so as a result of that equidistance from this point, so the distance is 1 minus 1 square root plus 1 minus 1 square, so root 4. So answer is 2. This is directly. So let's examine the option. So first is 0 0. So the distance from this thing once will be happening 1 minus 0 square, 1 minus 0 square. I'm doing it very easily. So directly root 2, and the distance from this thing is also root 2. Okay. Similarly 0 2. So root over 1 minus 0 square, 1 minus 2 square, and here it is root 2 and root over 1 minus 0 square and 1 minus 2 square, that is also root 2. C is equidistance from these two things, root over 1 minus 2 whole square, 1 minus 0 whole square, that is root 2, and minus 1 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 0 square equal to root 10. Okay, and from the 0 1 part it is 1 and root over 1 minus 0 square, 1 minus 1 square, this is 1. Okay, so D, only option D 0 1 corresponds to this 1 1 minus 1, so D is the answer. So the cluster is 0 1. Last question of this thing is based on 20. We'll do it in the next video.